हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज का ब्लॉग जो है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। हम लोग यहाँ पे चर्च स्ट्रीट पे आए हैं। यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे बहुत सारा लोग हैं। यहाँ पे हम लोग रैंडमली किसी को भी पकड़ के ना बात करने वाला है, उनको सब कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाला है और उनका जो रिएक्शन है वो हम आपको दिखाएंगे। तो चलिए हमारे साथ हम बात करेंगे, किससे भी जाके पकड़ के हम बात करेंगे यहाँ पर। सर, नेम?
My name is Mandar.
Good name, sir. Sir, what is your life lesson for the boys who are younger
For the younger generation,
generation?
I would say work hard and play hard kind of a thing.
Work and then
Play hard.
work hard, play hard.
Yeah, because I follow him because of his dedication and the way he is, how he's consistent throughout.
Consistency is very important in every year, no, sir?
That's correct.
Sir, what are you thinking about the marriage?
Marriage is a very pure institution, I would say. So, but sometimes it again depends on your partner. So if you are getting a good partner, I think you should be choosing your own partner. That's what my feeling is.
Means you are preparing for the love marriage.
Yes, I would say.
Okay,
Because in arranged marriage it can go in both sides.
it's depend on the partner how he is going to treat us like that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
तो सर मैं आपसे कुछ रैंडम क्वेश्चन को पूछ सकता हूँ?
ठीक है सर।
ओके। तो आपका नाम क्या हुआ?
चंदन।
चंदन।
हाँ।
चंदन जी, आप क्या सोचते हैं, लव मैरिज इज बेस्ट है कि अरेंज मैरिज बेस्ट है?
नो मैरिज बेस्ट है।
नो मैरिज है। नो मैरिज है। ओके, देन लव और मनी?
मनी।
मनी।
हाँ।
मनी मैटर्स। कॉफी और टी?
टी।
टी। व्हाई?
आई एम टी लवर।
चाय लवर। ओके, थैंक यू। रैंडम क्वेश्चन टू यू। ओह, थैंक यू। व्हाट इज योर नेम?
जय पटेल।
जय पटेल। तो आप नॉर्थ से हो?
नहीं, वैसे आई एम बोर्न एंड बॉट अप हियर।
हाँ।
पेरेंट्स मूव्ड हियर 30 इयर्स अगो।
आप हिंदी पता है आपको?
आता है ना?
अरे वाह, फिर हम हिंदी में करें। एक्चुअली ब्लॉग हिंदी में ही है, बट यहाँ पे किसी को हिंदी पता नहीं, इसलिए मैं ये थोड़ा इंग्लिश
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
अरेंज मैरिज और लव मैरिज?
लव मैरिज।
व्हाई?
अरेंज मैरिज इज स्कैरी ब्रो।
अरेंज मैरिज में पता नहीं कैसा प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा।
इट इज सिंपल। अभी हमको पता है हम कौन से खड्डे में कूद रहे हैं। दैट इज लव मैरिज। अरेंज मैरिज हम चल रहे हैं, हम कोई भी खड्डे में गिर
ब्लाइंडली
गए।
चल रहे हैं हम लोग।
यस, सो वी डोंट नो हाउ डीप दैट पिट इज।
सीएसके आरसीबी?
दैट्स अ टफ वन, बट आरसीबी।
आरसीबी। लॉयल्टी, रॉयल्टी इज लॉयल्टी।
लॉयल्टी इज राइट।
व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द लाइफ?
लाइफ इज प्रीटी गुड, वर्क हार्ड एंड
वर्क हार्ड,
yeah.
कंसिस्टेंटली वर्क हार्ड।
I'm a founder of
Founder?
yeah, of a 10 crore company. So
Oh, you are founder of 10 crore company. Can you tell name?
Stada Motor Labs.
Start Motor Lab.
Yeah, it's still at a pre-launch.
Is there any Instagram?
We have not launched it yet, and it's 10 crores. This is my card, so you can.
How we can help in this?
We are into PPF, manufacturers of paint protection film. So we using US-based technology material. So we have just entered India and we've started at an offline level. So at the brand level, we are launching it at April, May.
April.
May.
Okay. We'll be in touch.
Sure. Wishing you all the best of
Thank you so much.
Let all the good happen.
क्या कुछ आपसे क्वेश्चन कर सकता हूँ रैंडमली?
You can ask in English.
इंग्लिश? नहीं, एक्चुअली हमारा चैनल है जो हिंदी ऑडियंस को टारगेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग, क्योंकि भारत में बहुत सारा हिंदी ऑडियंस है। सो यू नो यू डोंट इंग्लिश? यू डू इंग्लिश? ओके। व्हाट इज योर नेम अंकल?
Satya.
Satya. What is the biggest regret in life?
I can't tell in my front of my son, right?
What's the biggest?
What will you prepare? Tea or coffee?
I had coffee.
Coffee. RCB or CSK?
CSK.
He's telling RCB.
Yeah, that's why he is wearing, right?
Today is a conflict in family only. Like RCB and CSK only. Today's match is there. Who will win?
RCB.
RCB. इस साल कप नमदे. So what do you tell about life? What is life?
Life is only one time everyone is getting in there, right? So we can enjoy. We don't need to feel anything about something happens or something bad happens. We always take it as positive and move on. Life is just simple how you are taking based on that.
Means no need to take stress be consistent in work and life is going on.
Yes, we no need to worry because if we one option is closed, we have various other options. So we no need to worry about something which not happen what we are expecting. So just move on. There are so many other ways out there. Just pick it up and then move on.
In Hindi, no, one in Delhi, one institution is there. They are taking like classes for UPSC and MPSC. In that, Divya Kirti sir, no, he's once tell in Hindi like, तू नहीं तो कोई और सही, कोई और नहीं तो कोई और सही. बहुत लंबी है जमी, मिलेंगे लाग हंसी. Means like move on from one to another. Whereas life is going on. Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time.
Thank you.
Some random questions regarding the. I think you are in relationship.
Yeah.
Can I ask some question regarding the relationship?
Yeah.
What is a red flag in relationship?
Sorry, what is it?
A red flag.
Flag. Actually, I'm not. I can't understand red flag, green flag also. Yeah.
Okay. Love marriage or arranged marriage?
We're planning of arranged marriage only.
So you are in love and you are telling arranged marriage.
Yeah, but actually, everyone wish to share everything.
Tea or coffee?
I like tea only.
Chai lover. Okay. What is your hobby?
Hobby, actually, I used to play an online game only.
Online game.
Yeah.
PUBG.
Not PUBG, ML.
Mobile Legend.
Yeah.
Okay, that game my girlfriend also used to play. ML. Hindi you know? Hindi malum. No, Marathi. Malayali. Mone. Eda mone.
Ada Mone.
Eda mone.
Ada Mone.
You're from Kerala.
I am Kerala. Is from Karnataka.
You're from Karnataka, North Karnataka. What is your name?
My name is Hanan.
Look at camera and see. Look at there only. Okay, Nanan.
Hanan.
RCB or CSK?
RCB.
RCB.
Isla Cup Namde.
Isala Cup namde. Who will score 50 today?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli Paglu.
And Rajat Patidar. And Rajat Patidar.
Captain. You like Rajat Patidar?
Yes.
Yeah.
He's our captain.
Captain, yeah. I'm also same team. RCB.
CB.
Ah.
Isla Cup Namde.
Yeah, Isala Cup namdo. Namdo.
Namde.
Namdo. What do you think about the love life?
Yeah, it's good.
Good. Arranged marriage or love marriage?
Love marriage.
Love marriage. Why?
I want to get love marriage only.
Love marriage.
I want to get one nice person for me.
That's you know before only. Before marriage only you know that person.
I don't know what. I want to love one person.
What do you prefer? Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Money or love?
Love.
You are doing job.
Yes.
Government job or private job?
Private job only.
Job. Can I ask some random question to you? Yeah, I'm doing like a blogging, so I'll ask him a random question. What is your name?
Yeah, Ali Hanishka.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
You from?
I'm from Telangana actually. I live in Hyderabad.
Telangana.
Yeah.
Okay, Telangana. Which team you like?
CSK.
CSK. Today's a match. Who will win?
Yeah. Obviously CSK.
CSK.
Yeah, I'm the fan of CSK's Chennai Super Kings.
Why?
You know, I'm fan of Dhoni.
Mahi. Thala for a reason.
MSD.
Thala for a reason.
Yeah, Thala.
Yes.
But unexpectedly we lost 2 matches because Dhoni was not there. Jadeja, yeah. Because he's in another team.
Yes. What is your biggest regret in life?
Nothing.
What makes you happy?
Roaming with friends and being with the family.
Family and friends.
Yeah, family and friends. Enjoying the life, very joyful.
Joyful life. Love or money?
Both.
Both togetherly. Yeah. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask some random question to you for my video purpose?
Sure.
What make you happy?
Food.
Food.
Yeah.
You're foodie.
Yeah, I'm too much foodie.
Like which food? Western or Indian?
Indian food.
Indian.
I am more into biryani. I love chicken biryani.
Oh. Everyone.
Yeah. Dum biryani.
Dum biryani. Hyderabadi.
Yeah, Hyderabadi, Muradabadi.
Muradabadi. You're from?
I'm from Delhi.
Delhi.
Yep.
Oh, what do you are doing here?
Coming here for work और घूमने ही आई हूँ. नहीं लगा है.
Okay, आपको हिंदी पता है?
Yeah.
I'm also from north only.
Okay.
आपको इस जिंदगी में क्या करना है आगे? गोल.
मेरे को बिजनेस करना है, अपना ओन बिजनेस करना
business.
है या
आप प्लान करें उसके लिए?
मैं प्लान कर रही हूँ। मेरे को टूर एंड ट्रैवलर में भी जाना है और बहुत बड़ा सैलून भी खोलना है अपना।
सलून प्लस टूर्स एंड ट्रैवलर्स
या
लाइक वेरल.
हाँ, वैसा वाला।
विच आपको कौन सा टीम अच्छा लगता है आईपीएल में?
RCB
ओह, आरसीबी.
या
स्लीप और जिम?
स्लीप। आई लव टू स्लीप। मतलब
And
मेरा
sleeping.
रिकॉर्ड भी है 2 दिन लगातार सोने का।
ओह माय गॉड.
या
अगर आपका एक्स वापस आएगा तो आप उसे एक्सेप्ट करोगी?
नो
नो.
नो।
आपका जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा सीक्रेट क्या है?
मेरे ज़िंदगी का सबसे बड़ा सीक्रेट, ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता। ऐसा कुछ सीक्रेट नहीं है। मैं ओपन बुक हूँ, सबके लिए ओपन बुक हूँ। या ओपन बुक हूँ।
Excuse me, can I ask some random question to people? English. Which team you like in IPL?
RCB, obviously.
RCB. RCB Baglu. I am also same. Why?
Because we are Bangalorean.
We are loyal.
Bangalorean.
Yeah, we are loyal for the Bangalore.
Loyalty is royalty. Actually, I am from Maharashtra, Mumbai Indians, but I like RCB. From my when I was started to see IPL, no, from that time I like RCB. Many people are trolling. You are staying in Maharashtra, you are supporting RCB, but I love Virat Kohli. I can't change that, no.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about the life?
Life. Life is something which we need to experience.
Experience.
It's keep on like it's a lab. We do daily some
New-
experiments.
Daily new experiments. Like someone said, no, every day is a new start for us.
Yeah, it's a kind of testing trials going on every day.
New every day is new for us. Like money or love?
Obviously,
Love.
love.
Okay. Both. Like money or love. Togetherly. Okay. What do you think about the gym? Gym or sleep?
I prefer sleep.
Sleep. Okay. What makes you happy in life?
Peace for peaceful life, we need a companion like.
Happy couple. Okay. You married?
Yeah, man.
Arranged marriage or love marriage?
Arranged marriage.
Random question to people. Your name?
Shravya.
Favorite food?
Tomato curry.
Tomato curry. You are from?
Gunmit Kills. I'm from Karnataka.
Karnataka only.
Yeah.
Okay. Which team you like in IPL?
RCB.
RCB. RCB.
Yeah.
Baglu. Why?
I like Virat Kohli so.
Same. Okay. Where? Which place you like to travel?
Kedarnath.
Kedarnath.
Yeah.
Okay. Leh Ladakh.
Yeah. With friends it's okay.
With friends. Okay. Which language you are speaking?
Telugu.
Telugu. Apart from Telugu?
Kannada, English,
Kannada,
Hindi.
English. You are a student or a job seeker?
Student.
Student. What you are doing?
I am doing present at engineering.
Engineering. Engineer. Okay. If I given 1 crore to you, what you will do?
I will enjoy and do shopping.
Shopping.
Yeah.
Girls always prefer shopping. Okay.
I
What is
like
your
what
goal
I
in your
like.
life?
I want to successful in my life.
Government job or private job?
Yeah, it's okay. Which one also?
Anyone. Okay. Thank you.
Meghna.
Meghna, where are you from?
I'm from Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Kalburgi.
Kalburgi. Put aita?
Hi.
That much only I know from in Kannada. What do you like in your life?
I want to successful in my life. Like I want to be a classical dancer.
Classical dancer. Favorite dancer?
I don't have any specific dancer.
Whom you are following?
Sai Pallavi.
Sai Pallavi.
Yeah.
She's so pretty. No?
Yeah.
I also like. What food you like?
Tomato curry and rice. With,
Which phone you are using? Which phone you are using?
Motorola H50 Pro. Motorola H50.
Motorola. Ringtone is there no? Calling Moto or something like that. Okay. Love marriage or arranged marriage?
It depends upon my parents.
Like biryani and pulagra.
Puliogra.
Pulagra.
I'm vegetarian.
You know cricketer?
Yeah.
Which team you like?
RCB. Only Virat Kohli. I know.
Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What's your name?
Pankti.
Pankti. Where are you from?
I'm from Gujarat.
गुजरात. हिंदी?
हाँ
अरे वाह, आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी.
ठीक है.
आप गुजरात से, आप यहाँ पे क्या करते हो?
मैं यहाँ पे इंजीनियरिंग कर रही हूँ.
स्टूडेंट हो. खाने में आपको क्या पसंद है?
खाने में ढोकला फाफला ऑब्वियसली.
आप क्रिकेट देखते हो?
क्या?
क्रिकेट?
नहीं, इतना नहीं.
आपको अगर एक साथ में 1 करोड़ मिलेगा तो आप क्या करोगे?
इन्वेस्ट करेंगे और ज़्यादा बनाएंगे.
गुजराती. ऑलवेज बिजनेस माइंडेड. ओके. आपको मतलब घूमने के लिए अगर जाना होगा तो कहाँ जाओगे?
घूमने के लिए ऐसी कोई वो जगह क्या बोलते हैं, ऑरोरा बोरियालिस, देयर समथिंग.
गांव में रहना पसंद करोगे या शहर में?
गांव में.
वाई?
पीस है.
इससे नेचर है.
यस.
भाग दौड़ नहीं, आराम से
हाँ,
जिंदगी.
भाग दौड़ नहीं है, पैसा नहीं कमाना है, सैलरी का वेट नहीं करना है.
गुजराती. दे डोंट नीड सैलरी. बिजनेस.
मतलब गांव में खेत होगा तो वहाँ से पैसा आएगा ना.
लव मैरिज अरेंज मैरिज?
आई डोंट नो. मतलब आई वुड से लव मैरिज, बट मुझे पता है मेरे मम्मी पापा मेरे से तो अच्छा, मतलब मेरी चॉइस से तो अच्छा बंदा लेके आएंगे.
तो लव अरेंज मैरिज को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस है.
यस. ठीक है.
आपको सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी कब मिलती है?
सोते हुए.
कुछ ऐसा रिकॉर्ड है सबसे ज़्यादा सोने का आपका?
सबसे ज़्यादा सोने का
2 दिन 3 दिन ऐसा कुछ?
नहीं, ऐसा रिकॉर्ड तो नहीं है 3 दिन, क्योंकि फिर भूख भी लग जाती है ना.
ओके. रिलेशनशिप के बारे में क्या?
वो क्या था डायलॉग? प्यार व्यार धोखा है, पढ़ लो बेटा मौका है.
प्यार व्यार सब धोखा है, पढ़ लो अभी एक मौका है. You are doing?
एरोस्पेस इंजीनियर.
Aerospace engineering. You are going to start your business or you are going to a job?
पहले तो जॉब नेटवर्किंग करेंगे, ऐसे ही थोड़ी बिजनेस में इन्वेस्टर्स मिलेंगे.
गुजरात. राहुल गांधी करना है मोदी?
ईश नो. राहुल गांधी तो नहीं.
मोदी. Okay. Your name?
Jen.
Where are you from?
I'm from Manipur. We are from Manipur.
Manipur. Hindi?
No, we don't.
English. Veg or non-veg?
None.
Non-veg.
Non-veg. Biryani or curry?
Curry?
Why?
Because how we usually eat it, we don't like. In our place, we eat curry.
We eat
Yeah,
white
most.
rice and curry.
Yeah.
White rice and curry. What is your favorite food?
Pork.
Pork.
Yeah.
What makes you happy?
Roaming.
Roaming.
Yes. Shopping.
If I Topic. Next question is, if I given some 10 crores, what will you do?
I don't know. Too much shopping. We'll go shopping.
Shopping. Okay. Love marriage or arranged marriage?
Love.
Love marriage. Okay. What is your favorite place in Bangalore?
Here itself, Brigade.
Church Street. You are staying in
Anepalya. Kormangla.
Kormangla. Kormangla is also popular for pubs and daily night parties. Correct.
Yeah.
So planning to make girlfriends?
No.
No.
Single is the best.
Single life is the best. What do you think about marriage? Arranged marriage or love marriage is best?
Sometimes we say that arranged marriage is best, and sometimes we say that love marriage also is best.
If I give 100 crores to you, what will you do first?
We think first logically. How to give 100 crores?
As I'm telling, if I give you got 100 crores at a time, what will you do? Like
Don't know idea.
food. What food you like?
Biryani?
Biryani. Chicken biryani. Mutton
Yeah,
biryani.
chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani. Biryani paglu. Which team? I can say RCB.
One
same. RCB and
forever.
huh? Isa lagap namdo.
Yeah.
Can I ask some random question to people? Simple questions.
Okay.
Where are you from?
From Bangalore.
Bangalore. Kannada.
Yeah.
ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಆಯ್ತು.
What's your name?
Sneha.
Sneha. Sneha, if I given 100 crores to you, what will do?
I don't know. I have to think.
Okay, I'll come from this side.
Maybe
Which food you like?
Maybe I'll travel.
You like travel?
Yeah.
Which place you like?
Switzerland.
Switzerland. Why not in India?
Yeah. I like India as well.
Usually people are calling Manali the second Switzerland.
What?
Manali.
Manali. Yeah, but I have not visited there. So.
Kashmir, that Switzerland also not visited, no?
Yeah, but I want to go there. So.
Your future planning.
Yeah.
What you are doing?
I just completed my engineering.
Now you are job, searching job or doing job?
No, I'm just searching.
You are planning for government job or private job?
Government job.
Government job.
Yeah.
Okay. She's your mother.
She's my grandma.
Grandma. Okay. Love marriage or arranged marriage?
Not thought of anything like marriage yet. So, not prepared or anything about marriage. Not
Something is there in mind now. You have completed your degree and all.
No.
No. Okay. Which food you like?
Like Indian food?
Specific biryani,
Biryani.
idli,
Biryani,
sambar,
biryani.
dosa.
Chicken biryani.
Biryani.
Yeah.
Dum biryani?
Yeah. Whatever. Biryani is all of.
Okay.